Okay. So, RI, you can see the page now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. I will say inside the room. I will say.
Na Arail Ulle ik
Okay. Actually, written language irukkiren. People don't say irukkiren. Writing for written language is okay. Irukken. I will say okay. Okay. Next one. Just man, we could. Teru. Teru means what? Teru mean street. Street. In the table, everything is there. I don't want to repeat. That's why I didn't put here.
Okay.
Teru means street. Here you can see in. You will see there's no change here. Teruin. 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 Sorry. Then streets. Then already I put it. Vilak mean lamb. Lamb. Suttam. Suttam mean cleanliness. Suttam. Then Veed plus Veedigal. I put it. Veedigal mean houses. Houses. Okay. Teruvin. The Teruvin Vilak. What does it mean?
Street lamp.
Okay. Teruvin Suttam.
Cleanliness in the street.
Okay. Teruvin Veedigal.
Houses in the street.
Okay. Now I'll repeat same thing. Street slam. I will say.
Teruvin Vilak.
Okay. The cleanliness of the street.
Teruvin Suttam.
Okay. Houses of the street.
Teruvin Veedigal.
Okay. Got it. The same thing.
Yeah.
You can make anything. Teruvin Makkal, the people of the street. Okay. Okay. Again, Teruvin Payan. Payan mean by the boy, street boy. The same thing. You can put anything there. Teruvin anything belongs to the street. Okay. Now it come Vilang. Vilang means animal. Vilangin, animals. So there is a how to say paichal. Paichal means jump. Unavu means food. Idam means place or domain. So here.
Sapad also is food only, right?
Yeah. Unavu is a very pure word. Unavu is a very only sapad is actually come from the Malayalam. Okay. Sapad actually. This unavu is a very, very pure word, belongs to Tamil. Unavu means food. Sapad also food. It's very commonly. Sapad saptacha. So you are using same thing. Okay. Sapad saptacha. Even people say, even tea, coffee also people say coffee soft drink. They don't say coffee drinking.
Okay.
They're giving so much respect to the tea, coffee also. Tea. Sometimes people vanga tea sapadlam. They don't say vanga tea kudikalam. Kudik means drinking, na. They don't say then come. Let's have a tea. Vanga tea sapadlam. Vanga coffee sapadlam. Okay, vanga juice sapadlam. Juice for these things they consider it as a food. Okay, sapad. That's why this is actually okay. Next one is how to say animals jump. I will say.
Velengin Paichal.
Okay. Animals food.
Velengin Unav.
But here you can't say Vilangin sapad. You cannot say sapad will be matched only to the humans. Okay. Unav is matched to everybody. Okay. It's generalized. Vilangin Unav. So next one is animals place.
Velengin Edam.
Edam. Okay. Next one is in. I'm just here. We're focusing on what is the use of the in here. Now, Manidan plus in become Manidanin. Manidan plus in become Manidanin. So, man's. So, Yosanai. Yosanai means thinking or suggestion. Yosanai means purely applicable to the thinking actually. Mani danin yosanai or suggestion also coming. Idea also coming. Yosanai mean idea, suggestion, opinion, everything will come here. I put a suggestion here. More applicable. Asai. Asai means desire. Kolgai means kind of motto, is principle. Motto, principle. So, mani danin yosanai. So, how will say
Man,
man's
human
suggestion?
thinking.
Okay. So, mani danin asai. What does it mean?
Man's desire.
Desire. Mani danin kolgai. Kolgai.
Cold, motto. Man's
Okay.
motto.
Okay. So now I'll use same thing and you will tell in Tamil.
Okay.
Man's thinking or suggestion. I will say.
Manidanin yosanai.
Okay. Man's desire.
Manidanan asai.
Asai. Asai. Okay.
Asai. Manidanin asai.
Okay. Man's motto or principle. Manidanin.
Manidanin kolgai.
Kolgai. Okay. Kolgai. Kolgai. Okay. Okay. Next one. Katru. Katru means air. In is added become a katrin. That means airs. Airs. Okay. Vegam. Vegam. Speed. This is a is actually adverb here. So remember sometimes we did vegamapo. Vegama, go fast. Mellapo, go slowly. That's right. Here vegam means actually speed. So katru plus in katrin vegam. Katrin vegam. Air's speed or speed of the air. Okay. Katru plus osai means noise. Katrin osai. Katrin osai. Katru plus asaivu mean movement. Katrin asaivu. So same thing will Katrin asaivu. Asaivu. Same thing you will tell now. Now same thing will tell now in Tamil. I will tell. Okay.
Katrin vegam. Katrin osai.
Okay.
Katrin asaivu.
Asaivu. Okay. Okay. Next one is thunder. Ed plus ed plus in ed in that is thunders. Sattam, sound. Adiru vibration. Adiru Bayangaram, danger. So how to say thunder sound?
Edin sattam.
Okay. Thunder's vibration.
Edin adiru.
Okay. Thunder's danger. Okay, Bayangaram. Then Marai plus in. Marai in. Marai in. How to say rains water?
Marai neer.
Okay. Rains flood.
Marai vellam.
Okay. I will say Marai in kalam.
Rainy season. Marai kalam.
Okay, Marai kalam. But mostly people don't say Marai. They simply they say Marai kalam. Marai kalam. Marain also right. Marai kalam also short. So this is the case. Here you can see some of them new added. Some of them added here. The same thing. 1D means remember. Yes.
I remember this word, but meaning.
Okay.
Vehicle. Okay. 1D vehicle.
Here next one is next part is here. Chakaram. Chakaram means wheel. Okay. Next one is 1D chakaram. But here say we want to say this vehicles wheel. Vehicles wheel. How you will say?
1D chakaram.
Yes. Okay. 1D chakaram. Okay. Next one. This is Salai means what? We did actually. Salai. Salai means road. Okay, Salai. Then here is a plus here. Oram. That is a oram. That means oram means corner. So we make it adding salai plus in. I will say road's corner.
Salayin Oram.
Oram. Okay, salain oram. So this is a maram. Maram means what?
Um, uh, Maram.
Tree, right? Tree.
Tree.
Okay, tree. Okay, next one is a uchi.
Chi.
There is a height.
Height. Okay. Chi height.
So say uchi means height. So
His height.
maram plus in. Maramin. How to say maramin? Okay. Just tree's height. How will say?
Maramin Uchi.
Uchi. Okay. Next one, next same thing. Amma has come, Amma means you already know. Amma plus in. Amma in. Anbu means anbu. Anbu means love and affection. So amma in anbu means mother's affection, mother's love. So next one is appa. Appa in fathers. Okay. Chellam. Chellam means actually pet. Okay. Very close to father. Appavin Chellam. Appavin Chellam. Okay. That's okay, sir. So you can say animal skin. How to say? Already see.
Belangin Tol.
Tol. Tol means skin. So humans hope.
Manidan.
Manidanin Nambikai.
Nambikai.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Water level or water scale.
Neerin Alavu.
Alavu means that is a scale or level, scale, everything come. Okay. Wind direction.
Katrin Desai.
Desai means direction. So, okay. Clouds water. Clouds fog.
Megamin.
Near. Okay. Thunder sound.
Edin Oli.
Okay. So, Marain charal. Charal means drizzling. Something like this. Charal. So, Marain charal. Drains drizzling. Marain charal. Okay. Charal. Marain charal means even if you close the door with heavy rain, you come inside, Marai charal. People say like Marai charal. That's called Malay charal. Marai charal. So, see, it is a floods. Vellam plus alavu. Vellamin alavu. Floods current. Here alavu means it become a current now. Current, a kind of flow, heavy flow. Vellamin or vellatin alavu, both will come. Then okay, reverse water. How will say?
Atrin Neer.
Then say trees of the forest.
Katin Marangal.
Katin Marangal. Okay. Okay. Condition, country's condition and condition of the country.
Natin Nilamai.
Nilamai means condition. Okay. Owner of the house.
Beatin
Sondakarar. Sondakarar means owner. Sondakarar.
Beatin Sondakarar.
Okay. Sondam means owning. Okay. Sondakarar. Yeah. So example, totam plus karan means totakaran. That means gardener.
Owner of the garden.
Okay. That means gardener. You can say karan means garden. Vetai means hunting plus karan means vetai karan. Hunter. Okay. Hunter. So next one is Martin Chanam. What is that? Madu plus it is coming here. The mad means cow. Chanam means dung, Cow dung. Martin Chanam. Okay, now road's lamp. I will say Salayin Vilakku. So you got it? So many things come up. So many things. So some more we'll do. Yeah. Malayin Velicham. Evening light. Okay. Here malar, here in a very good word. Malar means a flower, not a poo. Malargal
Okay.
means malar means flower. Malargal means flower. Gardens flowers. Thotathin malargal. Thotathin
Okay.
malargal. So here
Thotathin malargal.
malargal. So next one is you can see here Kattidathin already in the list there. Kattidathin Kattidathin uyaram. Height of the Kattida means a building. Kind of structure, building structure. Uyaram.
We also say, can we also say kattedithin ulichi?
Yeah,
Uchi
Kattida.
also.
Uchi also you can also make. Kattidathin Uchi also you can make it. Height. That also Uchi. Okay, Uchi Uyaram. Uyaram is a very decent word. Engineers also use. Kattan, they don't say Uchi. Uchi is a very common people use. That's the same meaning. So again, rooms lamp, arain vilak. Next, Theru, the longevity, length of the street or longevity of the street. What is that? How to say?
Thiruvin Neelam.
Neelam, not Neelam. Neelam means a blue color. Neelam means a length, longevity. So that is the case. In actually we are working on in. See, in is here. So that depends how you practice, my dear. Now you got it. Next time your wife asks, you should not say illa only. You must say all these things. If you ask, if your wife asks, what do you know about the Tamil? You can tell her, Angepo. You tell like this.
Okay.
You just go. I know. எனக்கு தெரியும். You say like this. எனக்கு தெரியும். I know it. நீ அங்கே போ. You go there. Okay. Okay. So, Marbudi, we'll meet in the next class. I'm sending both. Both. Okay, Guru. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. ரொம்ப நன்றி. வணக்கம். Good night. Take care.
Good night.
Have a sound sleep.
வணக்கம். Yeah. நன்றி.
நன்றி. Okay.